Hi, I'm Andrea from Mafra, and today we'll discover together Maniac, the new line for you, real car care maniacs. Premium hydrophobic ceramic ultra speed wax with SiO2. Let's check out together its characteristics and how it works. Hydrophobic ceramic wax with SiO2. It repels dirt, water, and UV rays. It bonds to the surface and creates a protective, self-cleaning shield. Its performance has a duration of at least 4 months. Easy to use. It can be used on cars, motorcycles, boats, or bikes. Wax, but just in the name. Why? It is actually much more than a wax. It is a real water-based liquid nanoceramic protective coating. Protective coatings? What a confusion. There are different types on the market. Let's get this straight. Waxes, like Carnauba for example, are easy to apply, they offer good duration, limited wash resistance, excellent gloss, but they give a poor protective barrier. In 3 weeks or a month, with a medium mileage, their properties deteriorate even faster if we do not perform maintenance washes with specific product. As of today, the state-of-the-art is represented by the nano-ceramic coatings. However, their application is complex, and due to the manual skills and equipment needed for their application, they are mainly chosen by professionals. But they give us utmost duration, high washing resistance, good gloss, and create a strong protective barrier. Nano-ceramic sealants, like ceramic ultra-speed wax, match together the best of both technologies. Ceramic ultra speed wax is easy to apply, has a long duration, offers excellent resistance to wash, a deep, wet look gloss, and creates an excellent protective barrier. With ceramic ultra speed wax, we wanted to match the best characteristics of waxes with the technological advance brought by the nano-ceramic protective coatings. We have obtained an easy and quick product to apply, safe on every type of material, capable of guaranteeing a high level of gloss, and a solid wet look color. To use it, you need a short pile microfiber cloth to apply the product and a long pile cloth for its finish. Let's see together how to use it. We can dispense the product directly on the car body or on a microfiber cloth for a more localized application. For the application, you can help yourself with a dry and clean short pile microfiber cloth by spreading the product evenly all over the surface to protect with vertical and horizontal movements. For finishing, the operation called buffing, use a soft and clean long pile microfiber cloth. Complete the product application by removing the excess and polishing the surface. Do this one portion at a time on every detail of the car body. You can use ceramic ultra speed wax whenever you want because the product becomes stratified by bonding itself to the underlying protective layer. After the application, you can see how the product gives your car body a wet look and a deep gloss, what you may have heard called the caramelized effect. Another important characteristic is its high hydrophobicity. Ceramic ultra speed wax creates a high beading effect. Water drops deposit on the surface with a perfectly round shape because they have a reduced contact angle. As they are smaller, they will be lighter and will slide very easily on the surface. Plus, water drops will incorporate the particles of the surface dirt, which, thanks to the protection of ceramic ultra speed wax, do not stubbornly adhere to the surface. And by sliding away, they will generate a self-cleaning effect, which will ease the following cleaning operations. You see? In this test with the water cloth technique, you can see how water slides away, removing surface dirt and leaving the surface dry and glossy. So these are the characteristics of ceramic ultra speed wax. When do I apply ceramic ultra speed wax? After decontaminating or after polishing. I remind you that decontamination is essential to promote the adherence of the protective coating and maximize the duration over time. Depending on the type of contamination present, you can use iron remover or water spot mineral remover to perform a chemical decontamination, or clay bar for a mechanical decontamination. After decontaminating or polishing the car body, you can perform the sealing with ceramic ultra speed wax. How do I maintain ceramic ultra speed wax? For its maintenance, you can alternate neutral foam shampoo used in foam as pre-wash and as manual shampoo with the double bucket system, ceramic shampoo used in foam for the maintenance of your protective coatings. Why should they be alternated? By overlapping too much protective coating, the surface reaches saturation, rejecting further protection. Applying too much protective coating does not ruin the surface, but excess product is simply rejected with the risk of creating stains or halos. In addition, it is a waste because using more product does not add protection. Actually, little is better than too much. How many cloths do I need to apply ceramic ultra speed wax? You always need 2 cloths. With the first one with short pile, you spread the protective coating. The second one, with long pile, is necessary to remove the excess product and for finishing. Always use high-quality microfiber cloths, like our double-face cloth. It is seamless and without labels, which may scratch the car body. It has two sides, one short pile side for applying the protective coating, and one long pile microfiber side to remove the excess and for polishing. And finally, some tips. The product is concentrated. Do not over-dispense it. For a streak-free and halo-free result, use 2 dry and clean microfiber cloths, one with short pile for the application and one with long pile for the removal. For better adherence of polymers on the car body and to increase duration and performance, decontaminate your car before applying ceramic ultraspeed wax. Thanks for watching us. Keep on following us on our social media channels for more videos and tips. Cheers from Andrea.